to turn to Kotonkan because BROUK has recently added the Arkan Army to the Argentina case.
Distinguished guests, my dear friends, thanks for joining. This is very timely event and important event for the Rohingya people. When head of OACHR Myanmar team mentioned it's never been worse than before. Today, what we are witnessing in our Arkan state, the Rohingya people, it's never been worse than before. So this is what we are witnessing, first point. Secondly, your question, Maui, that why we extended our economy to our Argentina case. This is a very important question. Rohingya, if you look at 2017, where our genocide happened, many decades we are suffering. But after 2017, international community well aware, we were able to listen the voices from the survivors directly. We want justice. Everyone, unitedly, Rohingya population, community, leaders from every side, they want justice. Because the brutality of the military, we have suffered. Now, this is another group, which is Arkan Army, we're looking at. And one thing, what we're looking at is 2017. We need to see that when 390 villages were burned down, thousands of Rohingya women were raped, and about 800,000 Rohingya fled. One thing that men with the military together, some Rakhine extremists, and including border guard force,